Actually, we're gonna go face down.
Face down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You can't breathe, you can set the mask down. There's full alcohol. Okay. So I know you're scared out of your mind, more nervous.
Yeah.
First timer.
Yep.
So we're gonna get this spot right up here,
Okay.
the tension spot. If you cry in happiness, it will take it. That's all you do, just relax, I got you. Nice. That was pretty loud?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Felt good though. Oh.
We did warn you ahead of time how loud it will be.
I felt that in my fingers.
I know, right? So that's all the tension that builds up right in that spot right
Yeah.
there. So normally, since you have massage after this, we'll dig our elbows into your shoulder bits
Okay.
to spare you. Okay, so let's put a bit on your back for me here, okay? Take that thing. So how much weight were you lifting back in the day at the store?
Oh gosh.
Hundreds of pounds?
Yes.
Jeez. Okay, big hug from here. Feels like doing leg days all day, every day.
Yeah, it really is.
So I'm gonna roll you, you're not gonna fall. There we go. That was a shoulder blade spot, okay?
Okay,
How are we doing so far?
good.
Awesome. Not as bad as you thought it was gonna be.
No,
You think your head was gonna like peel right off?
fall
or
off.
something. Good, close your eyes, I got you. You're doing good there. Were you ever wondering like what it felt like?
Yes.
You popped all the way.
I have a gal I work with that
Uh-huh.
does chiropractor weekly.
Oh really?
She swears by it.
Gonna stay healthy all the time.
Mm.
So we're gonna pull nice and easy. Nice. I'll make you a little taller.
Oh, that'd be awesome. Considering I have a sister who's younger than me and she's 6'1", so.
She's 6'1"?
Yes.
Let's run inside from here. You guys like the twins movie?
I know, it's kind of crazy.
It's just the two of you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna roll you. You're not gonna fall, okay? We're gonna take care of that little back spot. Okay. Drop easy.
Oh.
Nice. Woo! Let's get you on side for that. Everybody laughs the first time.
Yeah.
It's like your coping mechanism.
Yeah.
We'll roll you this side. We'll get leave it lower to the tail little spot. I'll tell your folks.
6'3" and 5'9".
Wow, okay. How old is she?
61?
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll help you sit up here, okay?
Okay.
So your head should feel super light, so we're gonna turn your body this
Yeah.
way for me here. See? No pressure?
Uh-uh.
Nice.
A little lightheaded.
Yes, that's what you want to feel
Okay.
right there. So first time is actually pretty good. The lightness is like you feel like you're floating a little
Yes.
bit. That's what we want.
Okay.
So like 10 minutes ago you had all that
Yes.
inside, and now it's like there's nothing.
Okay.
Let's see, we're going to posture up. There we go. Cool. You did it.
Wow.
You
That
made it
was
the first
awesome.
time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.